Hello, my name is Alexis Dufresne. I'm the founder and owner of Faveo.com. In this first video of the series of introduction of Faveo.com, I'm going to introduce you guys to the basic principles of the project and show you a couple of screens and the basic interface for the site. I hope you guys will like what you see. If you would like to test the site yourself, you can sign in to Faveo.com and just leave your email address. We'll be sending invitations for the first beta test from now till the end of the week and during next week. So we're accepting a couple of hundred of users for the first beta test. So yeah, if you would like to test the project, please come to Faveo.com and leave your mail address. Okay, so I'm gonna introduce you to a couple of nice features that we've made in the last months. Well, this is the homepage of the site as it is right now. So as you can see on the top left, we have a recommended content block, which is a block where you can easily get access to your latest recommended content. I'm going to do another video about exactly how does the recommended content works to explain our algorithms. But for the moment, you can see that the latest recommended content is posted right on your front page. Then a little on the bottom left, you can see our search results, our results. As you can see, we have several new items. If you pass your mouse on the title, you can have a little box like this where you can have a little more information about the article. You can read an introduction to the text and then decide if you want to read it. You can go and read more. This will be noticed by the recommendation engine as well. And also you can see at the top of the box you have the tags that have been automatically assigned to this item. This is using semantic web technologies, so yeah, you can have a good idea of what's the actual topic of the article. Speaking of categories, you can see on the right of the screen we have several tag clouds. Those tag clouds are separated by general topic. So we have, for example, people in the news, we have the companies in the news, the products in the news, and the organizations and countries. For the moment, those are the tag clouds that we're using on the front page, but we can add several more in a couple next days. So the interesting thing about this is not only you can have an idea of what are the popular topics on the web based on semantic analysis, but as you can see, you can also get this information based on the time frame. So now we can have in this section we can see who's been talked about in the last 24 hours on the web. We can change the tab and see the trends for the latest week. And we can have a longer term overview of what's going on the web. If we click on the last 45 days, then we can see who's been really talked about and buzzing on the web in the last 45 days. So of course we launched the aggregator a couple of days ago, so basically the same tags are coming over in the 45 days, in the week, and the 24-hour. But in a couple of days, you'll see really trending names appear, especially in the last 24 hours section. You can see trends come out from the real-time web and just appear in these boxes on your front page. We have the same concept for the companies. For example, in the last 24 hours, we can see Goldman Sachs, Facebook as well, companies that were talked about this week, and companies that have been talked about in the last 45 days as well. So I'm just going to click on a tag to show you how the navigation works on Faveo for the tagging system. So I'm going to just click on the Facebook link. So now I'm on the Facebook page. So as you can see, we have the latest articles on the left that are talking about Facebook. So, of course, since Faveo is a recommendation system, you can always vote up or down for any item, and this will be recorded in our recommendation system, so we can record the tag of the article you clicked on, who else clicked on the article, and of course, if you read the article, if you went to the original source, then it's still a bit more worth for the recommendation system. Anyways, so now we're on the Facebook page. We're getting everything that's been posted on the web about Facebook. And as you can see on the right, we have a really cool feature, which is the Twitter integration. So we're getting the real-time last tweets that mention Facebook as well. So as you can see, we have 5 latest tweets. This can be, of course, refreshed using the Twitter API. So as soon as we get new tweets, they should be coming to the sidebar. A nice feature that we have as well on Faveo is what we call the faceted tag filtering, which is a new way to search information by filtering for related tags to the one that you're actually looking at now. So we're on the Facebook page, and as we can see, we have several tags related to Facebook. For example, social media, I can click on that. And now, as you can see, we're getting the news and blog posts for Facebook and social media categories. So normally everything that's on this page has been tagged with both tags by our automatic semantic system. So we can have a look, for example, on this one. As we can see, we have the social media tag, the Facebook tag, and several other tags that seem to be completely related to the information we're looking at. And a really cool feature is that, as you can see on the right, the Twitter integration actually also filters the tags. So now we have several tweet boxes. We have the Facebook one, the same, that's been refreshed. Now we have a social media box, so this means that we have the latest tweets that mention social media. And finally we have the All tab, which is really cool because it mixes both keywords and pull out the tweets that actually mention both names. So Facebook, both tags, Facebook and social media in this case. So this is a really good way to actually get deeper in the information easily with the suggestions of tags in the faceted tag search. And it's a really good way also to really use Twitter as an information source, because now we can filter with the semantic technologies. We can filter the tweets by tags and get the latest information about those topics. So that's it. That's it for the first introduction video. Of course, there's a lot more that I would like to show you, but I'm going to keep it for other videos. If you would like to test Faveo, don't forget to come to the home page and leave us your email address, so then you can get an invitation. And I hope you guys like what you see, and thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye.